Extreme Blower Products transforms your leaf blower into a spreader.
Hello, I'm Danny Shipe with Shipe Spraying Service. I'm here at a customer's dairy farm today, applying some fly bait around the calf barn to control flies. Recently, in the last 6 months, I've started using this extra large hopper from Extreme Blower Products, having excellent results, even flow, even coverage, great control with flies. How's your coverage on that end?
Excellent coverage. The hopper did very well.
It's working great. The lesser amount of product we have on the concrete, the better. The more product we have in the grass and the dirt, the better. We control the rate by this flow gate right here. The flow gate has a stainless steel detent ball. There's 5 detents, 5 different rates. Okay, so after we're done applying the fly bait, we're gonna go ahead and convert our spreader back into a leaf blower. It's very simple. You go ahead and make sure your flow gate is closed. Tilt your spreader back to make sure if there's any excess product, it runs to the back of the spreader. You're gonna turn it a quarter turn, pop it off, you're ready to leaf blow.
Shop online at extremeblowerproducts.com.